Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have asked me about the MAF sensor. I have a 2007 Renault Scenic 1900C. I have noticed for a long time that it lacks a lot of power, especially when accelerating and on slopes. Although there is no warning on the dashboard, a friend of mine put his diagnostic machine on it and it got fault P0100 MAF sensor failure, so I bought a new MAF sensor. And we put it on, we erased the fault, but when we try it again, everything is exactly the same and the same fault occurs again in the machine. What I did notice is that when accelerating hard, with a car stopped, it sounds like a whistle in the front of the car. Can it be related? Let's see. It could be perfectly related. Okay, if you've changed the MAF sensor and the same error continues, but it lets you erase it, that's what it's telling you. Above all, that whistle when accelerating, is that there's an air leak inside the vehicle, at the front. It most likely comes from the intercooler or from the hoses that go to it, the one that enters or leaves the intercooler. Check there, because that is where the problem will come from. Find, how I say. Where does that hiss come from and will you fix the problem? Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.